I'm about to go to LA. I get the pack, put it right in your face. I'm on the run, tryna run up this cake. Yeah, I'm on the run, tryna run up this cake. Flip me a pack, then I'm switching the space. I'm getting me money, might be a little late. I'm in your city, I ain't leaving a trace. All of these hundreds, I might need a raise. I'm on the run. Let's get it, man. Start this Friday morning off right. 20s. Yes, ma'am. I know it got to be close to it, or at least right. That's it. That's my thing. So my kids, they at the house now. No, I'm here for about a week. Okay. my daughter sure be looking for him when I come here. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right, man, let's get it. Time to go get this oil change. Get some tire repairs. Finna get an oil change, man. Get my tires done. Probably put some more rotors on here. And man, I'm back on the road, man. Yeah, man, y'all know they got to love you at the bank. They give you this many suckers, man. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Regis, man. Been banking with Regis for probably 12 years, something like that. But yeah, man, probably 15, tell you the truth. But shout out to Regis, man. Over here at Dipstick, man, getting the oil change. So I can get back on the road, man. You know. That oil filter, man. I mean that air filter. Bad. Alright. What you mean? Nah, I do YouTube and stuff like that. Yeah. New air filter, man, getting it put in. Finna get the tie put on real quick. And we rolling, man. Can't be riding with them ball tires, man. It's getting cold. Shout out to J&K Tire Service, man. They down here getting me right, man. Down here in Memphis, Tennessee. You know. That's why you gotta always do your inspection, man. I was getting ready to head out. Look down up under the tie. See this, man. Tie still was okay, but had this in it, man, giving me a slow leak every day. Wonder why my tire going down there though. Sometimes you gotta take time off, evaluate, get your mind right, come up with a strategy, come up with a new plan, and keep grinding, man. Y'all know my motto, man. Keep grinding, keep shining, keep going.